6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
The animation opens like a wide horizon, a coordinate plane stretching calmly from left to right, waiting. Upon it, a curve appears, not fixed, not final, but alive. It is the parabola, familiar yet newly awakened, tracing the ancient form of quadratic function while refusing to remain still. With every passing moment, it transforms, reshaped by integers that step forward one by one, deliberate as footsteps, confident as drum beats. Sometimes the curve opens upward, gathering the space above it like open hands. Other times it turns downward, an arch of gravity and descent. Its posture is determined by the unseen hand of A, whose sign decides whether the curve seeks the sky or bows toward the earth. Through the center of each parabola runs a red dashed vertical line, steady and unwavering, marking the place of perfect symmetry. This line is the spine of the curve, the point of balance where motion pauses, where ascent becomes descent, or descent becomes ascent. Labeled clearly, it declares, "Here lies the extremum, the highest hope or the deepest valley." Across the plane glides another guide, a green dashed horizontal line, moving gently up and down. This line marks the level, y equals c, the constant term made visible, tangible, undeniable. As it shifts, the entire parabola follows, rising or sinking in quiet obedience. The label beside it changes with each step, a reminder that even the smallest constant can lift a whole structure or pull it down. It is the ground note of the equation, the steady hum beneath the melody. Then come the moments of intersection. When the curve touches the x-axis, red points bloom into existence, precise and bright. These are the roots, the solutions made visible, where algebra meets geometry and agreement is reached. Sometimes there are two, standing apart like twin truths. Sometimes there is one, a perfect meeting where the curve only kisses the axis before turning back. And sometimes there are none, and the plane remains unmarked, teaching quietly that not every equation yields visible answers, yet every equation still shapes the world it inhabits. In the corner, text updates with calm authority, recording the current values of A, B, and C, and when possible, naming the roots themselves. Numbers and symbols do not dominate the scene. They accompany it, narrators rather than rulers. The animation speaks in two languages at once, the language of form and the language of symbol, each reinforcing the other, each making the other clearer. The pace is swift, purposeful, yet never chaotic. Change happens quickly, but meaning is preserved. The eye learns to anticipate how the curve will move, how the vertex will slide, how the roots will appear or vanish. Patterns emerge, intuition grows. What begins as observation becomes understanding. This animation is a meditation on variation and structure, on how simple rules generate endless forms. It reminds us that mathematics is not frozen abstraction but motion, symmetry, and rhythm. Each parabola is a verse, each transformation a rhyme, and together they form a quiet poem, that from constants and coefficients, from balance and change, beauty inevitably arises.